To instantly copy attributes between objects, open your Layers panel. Select both layers. Hold Alt, click, and drag onto your target layer. Done. Let's turn this standard line into a dotted halftone. Open the stroke properties. Set the dash to 0 and increase the gap. Switch to a round cap and change the stroke profile to tapered ends. Perfect halftone physics, instantly. Here are two intersecting circles. Go to Object, select Intertwine, and hit Make. Lasso the exact intersection point to seamlessly weave them together. Take a single square and engineer a pattern. Go to Object, select Repeat, and click Grid. Adjust the grid handles and shape scale to lock in your layout. When your grid bleeds off the canvas, keep it clean. Go to View and activate Trim View, Pure Visual Focus. To fix harsh vector lines, grab the Smooth tool. Simply brush over the sharp anchor points to force a perfect curve. Take a basic circle, grab the Scissors tool, hold Alt to force a perfectly straight slice and detach the path. Let's override the stroke gradient. Select your object, open the gradient panel, and cycle through the stroke alignment options to manipulate the geometry. You're welcome. Subscribe to Social Animal Studio and elevate your visual logic in Illustrator.